Hello, I'm Courtney Boudet, and I help small business owners do their own bookkeeping until they can hire a bookkeeper. Today, I am going to go over how to take care of the deposit that comes from your PPP loan. So the very first thing that I'll show you is I will use the bank register method, and then I'll show you how to use the bank feed. Okay, so the bank register is in your chart of accounts, and you can find it and go into your checking or whatever account that it was deposited into. You will select the deposit, and then we will first create the payee. So say you got your PPP through PayPal. So we'll just set up PayPal because it's not in this system. And I just like to notate that it's PPP. So it's very, very clear. So I'm just quickly making a vendor there. And then let's say the deposit was for $10,000. What we need to do is offset it to a liability account until the bank approves it. So we will create that liability account. So we will go ahead and add that. We're going to create a long-term liability. Notes payable is fine. And then we have the PPP loan. So we're going to save and close that. So we have the payee, we have the deposit amount, and we have the liability account in the correct area. So we're going to save that. So as you can see, it deposited into your bank account, and then we'll just go ahead really quickly and check on the balance sheet to make sure that it was set up as a liability correctly. And then as you can see, here's the PPP loan, the $10,000 on your balance sheet. So another video I will make is how to take care of the PPP loan once your bank has said, yes, you don't have to pay this loan back. But until that point, it stays on your balance sheet. Now, I wanted to show you quickly a different method. So if you are using the bank feed, and I don't have a $10,000 deposit in here, and that's one of the reasons why I didn't use this method first. But say this $200 was also part of the PPP loan. Then what you would do is you would select that payee, and we created that PayPal PPP. Or again, if this was your first stop, you could create the vendor there. And then we would do the PPP loan liability account. And then you would just go ahead and press add. So then, again, if you wanted to check it, you would go to the balance sheet. And now there's $10,200 of the PPP money that is a loan until your bank says yes, you can write that off. And then again, I will create a video on how to do that step.